Okay, I did it. Oh, come on. It will work. Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. And since we're back, I'm wearing a football jersey, football sweat jacket, but it does not matter because we are making slime. Well, powdery slime. Need is dish soap, flour, and water. And you also need a mixing bowl and something to mix with. Let me go get that really, really quick. Go blind. All I ever wanted was a rolling. Okay, got a spoon. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is add the dish soap to your mixing bowl. And it does not matter what kind of dish soap you have, so you could just use, I'm using Amway soap. Go buy that, I'll have the link down below. Okay, and then you would add water to the mix. This is going to turn out so bad. This is my first time doing this, making slime videos. Oh my gosh. This is going to turn out so bad. This looks so bad already. Pretty much this is like testing stuff, so. Then add flour little by little. So like the flour is the consistent, is like the thing that makes it the powdery stuff. And you only add this little by little. So I'm going to just take one scoop at a time. This is so bad. I'm going to have to clean this up when I'm done. And you want to mix it until like, stay there for a minute. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. But I'll go on here. Oh, I'm on the table. Oh, fuck. Until all that powdery stuff, all the things are gone. Oh yes, I just gotta add a better view. So let's move this back over here to our baking area. Okay, just gonna mix it. Plus, you could have used like at the beginning when you put in your dishwashing soap, you could have put in some food coloring. That was optional, but since I don't have no food coloring, I'm not doing it. Flowers. Put that right there. Can you please hit that subscribe button, please? It's free. If you just click that subscribe button, it's free. You don't have to pay anything. And hit that notification button, and it'd be good. I'm just saying, because it's free. Some people don't know that. This looks like puke. My brother's playing Roblox. If you'd like to follow me on Roblox, or just tell me what my name was, my name would be BellaAnn122. So yeah. Okay. Then I still gotta put all this flour in there. I don't think this is working. I do not think this is working. This mixture is disgusting. I think it's time to add the next batch of flour. That's good. Took me a long time to mix that up. Am I mixing a cake or what? And guys, just to tell you, this is like a powdery slime, not like a real gel slime or something like that. So, just if you're wondering. And really quick, while I keep on mixing this, can we get this video up to like 5 likes or something? Just 5, not 5K or anything. Just 5 likes. That's all I want. And I hope for you guys to watch this because, you know, it's a little boring and stuff. I'm gonna take a sip, but it's still, I would like to get famous on YouTube. Hey, Emily! So then look up when I'm older. Emily! 1 second, my brother's interrupting me on a YouTube video. Smiley's voice is a teenager. I got my boys with me. Never mind that. But we are back to the mixing part of this process. And this does not look like slime at all. I literally just put all of that. This looks like pancake mix. Oh, that stinks. I have made slime before, guys, but it did not turn out like this. This looks like pancake mix, except it stinks like dish soap. Look. That does not sound pleasant at all. This is supposed to be satisfying. This more looks like poop. Well, I guess that's a fail for this slime. I hope you guys watch more of my videos. And please hit the subscribe button. Again, it's free for some more slime videos. So let's get off with the video. So let me hit that stop button.